Hi, so today we are doing a review on the BBB cream called Turned Up the Base from One Size. The color in this I got was dark 2. It's for people with dark golden undertones. And I also have the powder. I got this powder before this came out, so I haven't used it yet though, but I will be using it today. And the color in the powder I got was medium dark 4. Medium dark 4G, so I'm pretty sure it's medium dark 4 golden. But on the box it says the buttery 3-in-1 texture solver glides on and gets to work, transforming the appearance of the skin for the ultimate natural beat and flawless soft matte finish. So yes, it's a soft matte finish and it's supposed to basically smooth out textured skin. It does say on the website, I believe, that it's supposed to be all day lasting, and let me see, oil free, long wearing, cruelty free, alcohol free, vegan, good for acne and blemishes. Now I do have acne prone skin, so we'll see how this works. Like after I'm done trying it out, this is medium coverage. What else? And it's supposed to just blur, like I said, blur textures, blur imperfections. So let's get into the application. Now right off the bat, I see this is a very thick texture. I put it on my contouring palette, but I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a very thick texture. As I'm applying it, it does feel really smooth going on to the face, so that's a plus. It feels really smooth. Even though it is thick, I feel like it don't feel thick as I'm putting it on my face, if that makes sense. It is very blurry, but this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it did cover up that spot I had just a little bit more, but I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna add any more. So far so good. It does look like a natural finish. Very natural. I feel like it's also very warm. Okay. Hey you guys, I just got done setting my under eye with the Fenty Beauty powder, the Pro Finish. I'm at the Pro Filter powder in the shade 330, and I really like how that set under my eye. Look really smooth. But I am gonna go in with this powder now. It does look like this, so it looks really light. And so I seen when I was trying to pick my color and what shade would match me, I seen a lot of people say that it does look light and it does look like, hey, this isn't my shade, but it blends in really well and it ends up matching your skin tone. So I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like when I put it on. So I didn't set here, so I'm gonna set right now. Setting, this is actually giving me more coverage. So I feel like whatever the BB cream did not cover up, this is really doing the job. Like this powder is going on very smooth and very matte, but it don't look like a matte that's about to dry me out. So this is what it's looking like after I put the powder on. See, it looks really smooth. Let me see, that spot that was there earlier, you can barely see it. I mean, you can see it, but it's not that noticeable. Let me see. Yeah. It's not as noticeable. But this is a really good powder. I'm really loving the powder. I really like the powder. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go back, finish the rest of my face, and then I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I finished the rest of my face. So like I said, I really like the powder foundation. This one right here, it went on so smooth, and it does have a blurring effect. I really like this powder. I think it'll be a great powder for touching up. it just looks really good. Very soft, very matte finish. For this, I do like this. I feel like this is a good BB cream for if you want to just hurry up and do something really quick. You don't have to take all that time. Put it on and go. So I'm going to show you guys what my face is looking like outside so you guys can get the natural lighting, and then I'll come back throughout the day and show you how it's holding up. Am I getting oily? I will show you everything before I blot. Then when I do blot, I'm going to show you how it looks after being blotted. So right now it is 1:13, and I'll probably come back around 5, probably around 5. All right, guys, so I am back. Just got back. It is, oh, I'm sorry, 5:55. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is 5:55 now. I did run a lot of errands. I know I did say it was really hot outside, but nah, once I got out and started running the errands, it cooled down a lot. So it's not like I'm just like, oh, it was like a just sweaty mess out there. But I must say, this is what the foundation is looking like. I am really oily here, on my cheek area, and in my T-zone. So my nose is gone, all of that. But I was wearing a mask today, of course. It did not say on the website that this is supposed to be transfer proof. So it didn't even say it was going to be minimum transfer at all. It just said all day wear. But a lot of this foundation came off in my mask, like a lot of it. And I've worn a lot of foundations before, and not so much of it comes off in my mask. Like I said, this was $33. He does have a variety of shades, but not a lot of a variety, not a big variety of shades. I did not blot throughout the day, but of course, because I want to come and show you guys what it was looking like. But I'm gonna blot right now, see if I get more off of my face. All right, this is what I got. And I don't know where that, oh, that's probably my nose. I don't know, but I got a lot. So, I mean, I feel like for a temporary wear, I mean, it's good if you want to just hurry up and throw something on, run some errands, come back, boom, that's it. Like, if you ain't trying to go out and do nothing like that, then this is okay. All right, so I'm going to blot with the powder and see what it looks like when you touch up with this powder too. Like, I really like the powder because it's going on so smooth. Like, so smooth. So this is what it's looking like now after I just, you know, touched up, blotted again, applied more foundation where I was wearing my mask and it came off. Let me tell you guys a closer look. So yeah. So it's looking back to normal. Hey you guys, I'm back. It is now, let me see, 8:39. So I was gonna keep this on till 10 o'clock, but I changed my mind because I am tired. But this is what it's looking like. You know, after I blot it, it looks the same. It looks as if I just put this foundation on. Well, this BB cream on. I really like the coverage. It's medium. You know, I did not build it to full, but I do like how it applied. And yeah, it still feels lightweight. It still feels lightweight on my face, and I've had this on damn near all day. So it's good. I was gonna be like, nah, I'm not feeling it because of how much transfer it's doing. Like, I don't feel that. But like I said, I'm feeling it for on the go errand run. Yes, great, nice. It does smooth out your texture. It looks great. But I'm really feeling the powder. I'm feeling the powder more than I'm feeling the cream, because this powder right here is a good touch up powder. It's a good setting powder, blotting powder. It's a good powder. I'm loving this powder. Now, remember I said it looked light, but I've seen a lot of videos of people, the powder do look light, but it end up blending into their complexion, and that is exactly what it did for me. As you see, this powder looks like this about to go on somebody Caucasian. That's what it looked like, but no, it set it into my complexion and it just blended in, and I really like this powder. Even when you touch up with this powder, everything goes back looking smooth and everything. I love this powder. I would buy this powder again. That's a staple for me. But like I said, it still feel lightweight on my face. Even though I had touched up, added more, it still feels lightweight. That's one thing I do like. It is very lightweight. But this is a plus for me. And like I said too, he has concealers. He has setting powder, the loose setting powder, setting spray, and a primer. And this brand is from Patrick Starr, so please go check him out at your closest Sephora store. But please leave your comments down below, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.